Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python tutorial, checking if time has passed. Introduction. In Python, it's common to need a way to check if a certain amount of time has passed between two events. This could be useful in various scenarios, such as scheduling tasks, measuring execution time, or implementing timeouts. In this tutorial, we'll explore different ways to check if time has passed in Python, along with practical code examples. Method 1, using the time module. The time module in Python provides a straightforward way to work with time-related functions. We can use time.time to get the current time in seconds since the epoch. By comparing this value with a previous timestamp, we can determine if a specific duration has passed. Method 2, using datetime module. The datetime module provides a more human-readable way to work with dates and times. We can use datetime.datetime.now to get the current date and time, and then compare it with a previous timestamp. Method 3, using time.sleep, for waiting. If you need to pause the execution of your program until a certain amount of time has passed, you can use time.sleep. Conclusion. Checking if time has passed in Python can be accomplished using the time or datetime modules, depending on your requirements. The examples provided in this tutorial demonstrate how to use these modules to measure elapsed time and make decisions based on that information. Depending on your specific use case, choose the method that best fits your needs. ChatGPT.